Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another episode of Gollum's Cooking Show!
Stop it. Oh, they actually stopped. Anyway, welcome to the kitchen, everyone. Today we are going to be making a sword sandwich. So first of all, you are going to want to get a nice sharpened sword for a delightful taste. Then you want to put it inside of some fresh, homemade, well, actually, it doesn't have to be homemade bread, it can be whatever you want. Then you get some cheese and smack it in there. And there you have it, the best sword sandwich ever made. Oops, I threw it away. Oh boy, the broadcaster stole it.
Yes, I did.
I wanted to eat that.
Well, it's a shame for you because... Too bad!
Okay, that's it, I quit. I stopped the video.
But it's just part of the video.
Well, the video.
But you can't.
I don't care.